Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Sama V40, a mid-tower case that's making waves with its features and price point. Right out of the box, the aesthetics are striking. The dual tempered glass panels, front and side, offer a fantastic view of the components inside, allowing you to showcase your build. The white finish gives it a clean, modern look that should fit well in most setups. One of the biggest selling points of the Sama V40 is its impressive cooling setup. It comes pre-installed with 6 120mm ARGB PWM fans. This is a huge value add, as it not only provides excellent airflow, but also saves you the hassle and cost of buying fans separately. The vertical airflow design helps to efficiently dissipate heat, keeping your components running cool even under load. The ARGB lighting adds a vibrant touch, and the PWM control allows you to adjust the fan speeds for optimal noise and performance. The dual chamber design is another notable feature. This separates the power supply and storage drives from the main components, improving airflow and cable management. Speaking of cable management, the Sama V40 offers plenty of routing options and tie-down points, making it easy to create a clean and organized build. In terms of connectivity, the case includes a USB 3.1 Type-C port on the front panel, which is a welcome addition for modern devices. It also has the standard USB 3.0 and audio ports. The case supports ATX, micro ATX, and mini IDX motherboards, making it compatible with a wide range of systems. It also has 7 expansion slots, providing ample room for multiple GPUs and other expansion cards. The Sama V40 is constructed from a combination of tempered glass, alloy steel, and ABS plastic. The build quality feels solid, especially considering the price. The tempered glass panels are securely mounted, and the steel frame provides good rigidity. While the Sama V40 has a lot going for it, there are a few minor drawbacks to consider. The front-mounted power supply can limit the space for front-mounted radiators, so if you're planning a custom liquid cooling loop, you'll want to double-check compatibility. Also, while the included fans are great, they might not be the quietest at full speed, so you may want to adjust the fan curves to find a good balance between noise and performance. Overall, the Sama V40 is an excellent mid-tower case that offers a ton of value for the price. The pre-installed ARGB fans, dual tempered glass panels, dual chamber design, and USB 3.1 Type-C port make it a standout option in its class. If you're looking for a stylish and functional case that won't break the bank, the Sama V40 is definitely worth considering. It's a great option for first-time builders and experienced enthusiasts alike.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.